A and C. 16 times 1 multiply together to make positive 16. Factor pairs for positive 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. We're trying to find ones that add up to 10, and that would be a positive 2 and a positive 8 as our winners. Okay, now we're going to rewrite our problem. 16x squared. Split up this 10x into two parts, a plus 2x and a plus 8x, and then bring down the plus 1, at which point we're going to use the grouping method, split this in half. In the first half of the problem I can divide out both a 2 and an x, leaving 8x plus 1. I see the 8x plus 1 over there on the right. I don't see anything else that will divide out, so I'm going to divide out just a 1 as a placeholder. And seeing the 8x plus 1 in each half of the problem, I will factor that out and have 2x plus 1 left over for my other parentheses. Now, yeah, that worked pretty well, but again, going back to just the guessing method, hey, multiplying to 1, we knew it had to be a 1 and a 1. And I think half the problem was already solved at that point. Now, problem number 4 is why I'm not really wild about the AC method. Notice how we've got to go 16 times 15. Okay, off to the scratch paper. 16 times 15. 5 times 16 is 80. Put our 0 down. There's our 16. 240. I'm looking for two numbers that will multiply to 240 and add up to negative 34. And I can picture you laughing at home going, I don't think so. Youch. Now, I'm with you on this I don't think so. I don't think so. But I guess we can go 1 times 240, 2 times 120, 3 times 80. Still no numbers that add up to that 34 in the middle. I guess I have to keep on going. 4 times 60, 5 times something, 5 times 48, getting close to 34 but not close enough, 6 times 40, ding 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 ding, okay, there we go, 6 times 40. Now I'm trying to make a negative 240 because 16 times negative 15 made negative, and I need these to add up to negative 34, which means a positive 6 and a negative 40. Okay, here we go. Set that all aside. We've got 16x squared. Split up that minus 34 into a plus 6x and a minus 40x minus the 15, which comes down. Now split it down the middle. I can factor out a 2 and an x, leaving 8x plus 3, and then I'm going to factor out a minus 5, leaving 8. 5 times 8 is 40, 8x, and okay, good, the signs are right, 8x plus 3. Now, factoring 8x plus 3 out of each half of the problem gives us 8x plus 3 in one parenthesis and 2x minus 5 in the other. Personally, that was a lot of work. The numbers were big. What if these numbers, you missed one? There's all sorts of things that can go wrong. Personally, I think if I were guessing and trying to make that 15, the first thing I would have tried was the 3 and the 5. Okay, so and I would have halfway been there. It's a tough problem no matter what. So take this method if you like it. If you don't like it, you can just skip this whole section altogether and just factor the way you were factoring without this AC trick. But at least you have it there in case you want it.